Welcome to Caribou Creek Log Homes. I'm David Byler, the owner and founder. My two brothers and I started this company 30 years ago. Today my son Darren and son-in-law Ken are also co-owners with me. Working with timber has been in our family for generations. It started with my grandfather, who was an Amish barn builder. Since starting Caribou Creek, we've been fortunate to do log and timber projects all over the world. We've done jobs in 5 different countries and 37 states. We love what we do. Each project is a unique challenge. It also is great to be part of every customer's individual story. What sets Caribou apart from the other log home companies? It's several things. It's our facility, it's our location, it's our craftsmen, and it's our design capabilities. Our facility here is the best and largest in the United States. It has over 30,000 square feet of indoor working area, which gives us the ability to continue building homes year-round. We also have multiple cranes on site, both indoor and outdoor cranes, which allows us to build up to 4 to 5 projects at the same time. We are so fortunate to live in an area where we can get many different species of timber with excellent fiber. The Northwest is home to some of the best Douglas fir in the world, and we only use the best timber. Another thing that makes us unique is that we dry all of our logs here on site in our custom-built kilns. Just one of our kilns can dry logs of up to 70 feet long. We then take that timber and use it in whatever project we're working on, and we have control of it until the project is finished. Our crew here at Caribou is very dedicated and extremely skilled. They do all the work by hand, such as peeling and hewing the logs. Our joinery is also done by hand, by scribing, using saws, chisels, or whatever hand tools might be required to do the job. Our work truly speaks for itself. In addition to building homes, we also do custom specialty work such as building staircases, entryways, furniture, and much more. There's really no custom project that we won't try. We have some of the best 3D architectural software to help draft a customer's vision. Our designers also have a construction background, which makes them even that much better at producing quality designs that are in the client's budget and are structurally sound and buildable. Our mission here at Caribou Creek is to provide an exceptional experience to our customers and creating the highest quality handcrafted log and timber projects with exceptional and lasting value.